Hello guys, welcome to the C++ tutorial series. In this short video, we will learn about automatic type deduction in C++. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mot.dev. Please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's dive in. Now, in C++, when performing complex operations, you might not know the return type of a variable or an object. In this case, you can use the auto keyword or specifier to tell the compiler to implicitly or automatically deduce the type or the data type of that variable or object. So I'll just give you an example. Let's say auto, a variable of number, and I'll initialize it with a value of 200. So in this example, I just initialize a variable, and then using the auto keyword, I'm telling the compiler to automatically deduce the data type of this variable. And when I hover over this variable in my IDE, you see that the IDE denotes that it is of the data type int. I can go ahead and let's say use the auto and say d and then initialize it with a decimal number, and the IDE specifies or notifies that it is of the type double. I can go ahead and say d, and we see it gives us the data type of character type. So this is how we can use the auto keyword to tell the compiler to deduce the data type of a variable. So in summary, we use the auto specifier or keyword when the data type of a variable is difficult to figure out. So that is it in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.